Ever wondered how to dive into the world of trading without risking a single penny of your hard-earned cash? Or maybe you're an experienced trader looking to backtest a new strategy before putting real capital on the line. Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to explore how you can practice trading right inside TradingView, a platform renowned for its powerful charting tools and vibrant community. Many people jump into live trading too soon, often leading to costly mistakes and a quick depletion of their trading capital. The truth is, successful trading isn't just about knowing what indicators to use or understanding market news. It's about discipline, risk management, emotional control, and the ability to execute your strategy consistently. And the best place to hone these crucial skills, without any financial pressure, is through simulated trading, often called paper trading or demo trading. TradingView offers a fantastic built-in feature for this exact purpose, paper trading. Think of it as your personal trading sandbox, where you can experiment, make mistakes, learn from them, and refine your approach in a completely risk-free environment. It's like a flight simulator for pilots. You get to experience the real conditions without the actual consequences of a crash. So, how do you get started? It's incredibly simple. First, you need to have a TradingView account. Even a free account will give you access to the paper trading feature, which is one of its most valuable offerings for beginners. Once you're logged in, open up any chart. At the very bottom of your screen, you'll see a panel. Look for the Trading Panel tab. Click on it, and you'll see a list of brokers you can connect with for live trading. But right there, among those options, you'll also find paper trading. Click on that, and then click Connect. Voila! You've just connected to your virtual trading account. By default, TradingView usually starts you off with a generous virtual balance, typically $100,000. Don't worry, it's not real money, so feel free to experiment. You can even reset this balance at any time from the account settings within the trading panel if you want to start fresh or simulate a different initial capital. Now, with your paper trading account active, you'll notice buy and sell buttons appearing directly on your charts, usually in the top left corner or when you right-click on the chart at a specific price level. This allows for incredibly intuitive order placement. You can place market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders, just as you would in a live trading environment. For example, if you want to buy a stock, simply click the green Buy button, enter the quantity you wish to purchase with your virtual funds, and confirm the order. You'll see your open positions, active orders, and your virtual profit and loss, P&L, tracked in real time within the trading panel. This real-time feedback is invaluable for understanding the immediate impact of your trading decisions. One of the most powerful aspects of paper trading on TradingView is the ability to apply all of TradingView's extensive charting tools and indicators to your simulated trades. You can test out different strategies, see how various technical indicators perform, and even backtest historical data to refine your entry and exit points. Are you trying a new moving average crossover strategy? Paper trade it for a week or two and see how it performs before you consider putting real money behind it. Remember, the goal of paper trading isn't just to make virtual profits, but to develop a solid trading plan and the discipline to stick to it. Treat your paper trading account as if it were real money. This means practicing proper risk management, setting realistic profit targets, and implementing stop losses to manage potential losses. Avoid the temptation to take excessive risks just because it's play money. The habits you build in paper trading will directly translate to your live trading. You can also monitor your performance over time. The trading panel provides detailed statistics on your trades, including win rate, net profit, and drawdown. This analytical insight is crucial for identifying what's working and what's not, allowing you to iterate and improve your strategy. While paper trading is an incredible tool, it's important to acknowledge one key difference: the psychological aspect. Trading with real money introduces emotions like fear and greed, which are absent in a simulated environment. So, while paper trading helps you master the mechanics and strategy, be prepared for an additional layer of emotional management when you transition to live trading. But until then, maximize this powerful feature. Experiment, learn, and build confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.